Okay, so today we've captured the wild cougar. We have managed to bring her into the house, and we have pulled her off the 20-year-old boy she was pursuing.
Chris, what the fuck are you doing? You're supposed to be on CNN.
And then now, we have her to the fridge. This is the wild cougar. Don't touch. Don't touch. She's very... No, stay to the fridge. Try not to touch her. Her hair is white. It is stained with the blood of hundreds of little children. These are her house slippers, also known as socks. She uses them to sneak up on teenagers at the skate park.
Male teenagers.
Sometimes. The makeup she has, she uses as war paint, so that when she charges the teenagers, they know what she's there for.
Meaning you will be more erect.
Get up! So, we have back ourselves today, the wild cougar. I'm Chris Flores for CNN.